I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day.
Welcome back to K-Couple Story. What if a movie premiere wasn't just about the film, but about a surprise reveal that changes everything? Lee Jun-ho's unexpected presence at a recent event has sparked a wildfire of speculation. Was this an accidental sighting, or a carefully orchestrated debut of an official date? Join us as we piece together the clues and try to figure out if this is the start of something new and exciting.
You've been knocked down and got up again. In a corner, you're surrounded, no defenders.
On August 7, 2025, the premiere of Yoona's new movie, Pretty Crazy, became the unexpected scene of a major public event, as fellow actor Lee Jun-ho was spotted in attendance. His appearance to support his former co-star has sent fans of the two stars into a frenzy, sparking renewed excitement and hope about their rumored relationship. The two first captivated audiences with their sizzling chemistry in the popular drama King the Land, where they played an enemy-to-lovers couple. Their effortless dynamic and stunning visuals on screen led many to believe that their romantic connection extended beyond the camera. Despite the widespread speculation, both of their management companies, SM Entertainment and JYP Entertainment, were quick to deny the rumors at the time, stating that the two were merely close friends. However, the public's desire for a real-life romance between them never truly faded. The on-screen magic they created in King the Land was so convincing that fans have consistently held on to the hope that the two would eventually become a couple. Jun-ho's attendance at the Pretty Crazy premiere has now breathed new life into these hopes. Fans are interpreting his presence as a significant show of support, and a public gesture that goes beyond a simple friendship. While the actors have not made any official statements regarding the matter, the excitement among their fans is palpable. They are eagerly watching for any further developments, hoping that this public display of support is the first step toward a confirmed relationship. What do you think about this latest and surprising development? Share your opinions, theories, and hopes in the comments section below. As always, stay glued to K-Couple Story for more updates and discussions from the captivating world of your beloved Korean stars. We promise to keep our eyes peeled and our hearts open as we continue to follow the evolving narratives of these enchanting personalities.